Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indira here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this really pretty lavender eye makeup look. And for this look I'm going to be using this palette by Makeup Revolution. So let's get started. So first off, I concealed my eyes and I'm using this concealer by Maybelline, and I'm just blending it all over my eyelids so that everything is nice and clean. And then I'm going ahead with this purple shade, which is a matte purple shade, and I'm applying it all over my eyelids, and you don't have to be very precise with the step. Then I'm taking this reddish brown shade as my transition and I'm applying it on my crease area, and I'm blending it really nicely. And make sure you blend this really nicely, because that will be the main thing for the eye makeup. And then I'm going ahead with the same purple shade and I'm blending the two, especially focusing on my outer corner. Then after the thing is blended, I'm going to be moving ahead with this bright yellow shade for my inner corners, just to give it a pop of color. And then I'm going to be doing my mascara. I'm applying a generous coat of it, and this will really make the look stand out. I also applied this liner in the shade Marsala by Essence, and it really made a lot of difference. Then I'm applying a little blush and some highlighter just to make the look really nice and glowy. And for the lips I'm using the MAC Velvet Teddy, and this really suited the eye makeup look. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. It will mean the world to me, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.